Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xbox app error code 0x80070015 in Windows 11,10. First method is reset Xbox app. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Third method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.